The top-tier off-road air compressor swiftly provides high-pressure air for tire inflation in harsh landscapes. Its compact, robust build is essential for adventurers needing dependable tire maintenance on challenging routes. There are many products available to choose off-road air compressors, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best off-road air compressors from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. VIR 300P 30033 Tire Inflator Portable Off-Road Air Compressor. The VIR 300P portable off-road air compressor is highly adaptable and reliable, making it a top choice. It's especially great for truck and SUV owners, ensuring readiness for off-road trips or unexpected flat tires. Its simplicity is a standout feature. Simply connect the power leads to your vehicle's battery, attach the tire chuck, and switch it on. Plus, it comes with a handy 5-in-1 inflator deflator inline gauge for precise pressure adjustments. With a maximum working pressure of 150 psi and a 33% duty cycle, it can handle tires up to 33 in diameter, catering to the needs of any off-road enthusiast. Versatile and reliable for off-road use. Easy to use setup and operation. Compact design with included carry bag for portability, capable of inflating tires up to 33 in diameter. Number 2. Asani 12V Air Compressor. Asani's 12V dual-cylinder tire pump is designed for quick tire inflation in under 2 minutes, 4 times faster than regular compressors. Ideal for trucks, cars, and subs, it reaches up to 150 psi for efficient on-the-go inflation. The truck tire care kit includes an 11.5 FT extension hose, various nozzles, spare fuse, sturdy cables with clamps, and a handy travel bag. Compact at 87x71x31, it's easily portable for tire upkeep. With its built-in bright LED light, it offers illumination for low light conditions. Equipped with a dial pressure gauge, it ensures precise inflation for all your vehicles. Compatible with car batteries or cigarette lighters, it's your reliable choice for tire care anytime, anywhere. Swift inflation under 2 minutes. Compact and portable design with included travel-friendly bag. Versatile performance for various vehicles and inflatables. Bright LED light for visibility in low light conditions. Number 3. GSPSCN Portable Air Compressor. The GSPSCN Portable Air Compressor Pump is designed for fast inflation, reaching 150 psi in under 15 minutes, outpacing competitors by 4-fold. It comes with a tire repair kit and toolbox containing essential tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, and repair strips, ensuring preparedness for unexpected punctures. Equipped with an integrated LCD digital pressure gauge for precise monitoring, it also offers preset pressure shutoff for added convenience. Compatible with subs, trucks, bicycles, and more, it includes multiple adapters for various inflatables. Compact and easily portable at 85x7x3, it's an ideal travel companion for on-the-go tire maintenance. Rapid inflation in under 15 minutes. Comprehensive tire repair kit included. Built-in LCD digital pressure gauge for precise monitoring. Versatile performance for various vehicles and inflatables. Number 4. All-Top Air Compressor Kit. All-Top Air Compressor Kit is your reliable companion for off-road adventures. With a max pressure of 150 psi and airflow of 706 ft-min, it's encased in a durable metal shell with an aluminum cylinder for efficient heat dispersion. Safety features include an auto-thermal cutoff switch and a sand-proof power switch, ensuring stability during use. Versatile for off-road vehicles, bikes, RVs, and more, the kit includes a sturdy compressor, a nylon tool bag, a long power cord, a flexible rubber hose, and various nozzle adapters. Sturdy construction ensures durability. Powerful performance with quick inflation times. Comprehensive kit includes essential accessories. Reliable warranty and customer support for peace of mind. Number 5. Gauge 12V Air Compressor. The Gauge 12V Air Compressor is a powerhouse inflator designed for demanding off-road applications. Featuring a pure copper movement and a 540W oil-free direct drive motor, this compressor delivers a maximum airflow rate of 635 CFM at 0 psi, making tire inflation quick and effortless. Its heavy-duty metal surface and high-performance cylinder ensure durability and reliability, even under extreme conditions. Equipped with an auto-thermal cutoff switch, it provides overheat protection for the motor, enhancing safety during operation. With its comprehensive accessory kit and user-friendly design, the Gouge compressor is a must-have tool for off-road enthusiasts. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.